Want to build a glowing retro lava lamp using a Coca-Cola bottle? Let's make it in under 2 minutes. You'll need a bottle of Coca-Cola, vegetable oil, effervescent tablets, red food coloring, and a light source. Start by opening the Coca-Cola and pouring out most of it, leaving about 1/3 at the bottom.
Slowly pour in vegetable oil until the bottle is almost full. Notice how the oil sits right on top of the Coke.
Since oil is lighter than water and soda, the two liquids won't mix. They stay completely separated.
Add a few drops of red food coloring. Watch them pass through the oil layer and drop into the Coke. Turn on your phone flashlight and place the base of your bottle right on top of the light beam. Break an effervescent tablet into small pieces. This is what creates the instant chemical reaction. Drop a piece into the bottle and watch it sink straight to the bottom where the soda is. As the tablet dissolves, carbon dioxide bubbles carry colored soda blobs up through the oil layer.
When the bubbles burst at the surface, the dense red liquid sinks back down, creating a classic lava effect. Turn off the room lights to see the full hypnotic glow of your brand new homemade lava lamp.
Once the bubbling slows down, simply drop in another piece of tablet to kickstart the magic all over again.
This fun experiment demonstrates density and chemical gas creation in a super cool visual way. Give this awesome experiment a try at home, hit that like button, and subscribe for more amazing science DIYs.